Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Facebook search history. So if you are privacy focused and you want to go ahead and delete your search history to keep your account more private, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go to your profile page and select your profile icon in the top right. Just go and left click on that and then select where it says settings and privacy. And now you want to select where it says activity log. And now you want to locate on the left side where it says logged information. Information that Meta logs about your activity, including things like your location and search history. Go ahead and select that. If you want to delete certain items of your search history, you can just select the three-dot icon next to it and then just select delete. You can also filter by date as well by selecting the year, search by your search history. Now, if you want to delete all of your search history, you can go underneath search on the left side, click the drop down and select where it says your search history. And now there'll be an option that now appears on the right that says clear searches. Go ahead and left click on that and that will delete your search history. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.